times, but it's working on a Nash equilibrium. So for example, if you saw this candle here, the spectrometer should hardly move on that candle because it's not going to change the probability to a dead cert buy trade. If it then did that candle, it still would be doing exactly the same. It certainly wouldn't see it as a dead cert buy trade because there is no dead cert buy trade if that's what's happening. So that's correct. The spectrometer should hardly move on a fast move, and it should move a lot on slow moves because that's how probability distributions work. So the slower the move, the more it should move. The faster the move, the less it should move. Because obviously what it's trying to do is it's trying to tell you what is the probability of a buy reversal here. What's the probability of a sell reversal here? So I've been buying some equities here because of this this gamma arrival here. So we've been buying some of these equities for the squeeze higher here, and it's making some really nice money at the moment. So that's interesting. It's a nice, interesting winning trade there because I wasn't expecting to buy it, but I thought, well, if we're going to show this, we might as well try and trade it as well. See if it actually makes consistent money of any shape or form. So it looked like the gammas had got very slippy on the buy side, and it does. I don't really like the narrative, but I made money on it. It's a very, very nice winning trade for us, actually. Yeah, but that's exactly what you would imagine, Miguel. On a fast candle, the probability should not change because it's reading it as a very low probability reversal. A very low probability reversal. That's exactly what you want it to read, as a very low probability reversal on a very fast candle. And that's exactly what you're trying to make sure that you're trying to stay on the right side of, is that when you see those types of candles, you're looking at it saying, holy shit, what is this? And it's not telling you to do anything, it's telling you to stay away until you figure it out. But this buy's worked out beautifully, making a lot of fair decent cash here. So bought into this at 88s, and it's now traded as back to the zeros. That was a very interesting trade for the gamma line, wasn't it? So you can see the triggers that we've seen so far today been pretty good. I mean, considering it's first day of live testing, and first day of live testing, I've been, relatively impressed with it, considering the market's not been trading very much in terms of trending. I'm not sure about the macro background yet, so we'll have to see if the macro background. You can see that most of the macro background's actually been white rather than coloured. And in case of the macro background, of course, the storyline, you can see it went very macro sell side here. So, and then it was sticky sell side here. Never ever went slippy sell side. Never once did it go slippy sell side. So we've only seen 2 slippy sell side trades, and this was the first one, and it took out the swing low there. And this was the second one here, and it didn't exactly take out anything really, to be honest. But the 2 slippy sell side trades both made some pretty nice progress. The slippy buy side trade here got jammed up into this area. The slippy buy side trade here made some nice money, and the slippy buy side trade here made some nice money. So the slippy trade's looking pretty interesting.